This is the second in a series of tutorials on how to use the Word templates for theses and dissertations at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. As we look in this folder, we see two Word files in here. Something to point out is that these are not regular document files. These are .x files, or Microsoft Word template files. That's different from a Microsoft Word document, which is a DOCX file. To understand how the template files work, it's important to point out that every Microsoft Word document is based on a template. This is a normal document that you would open whenever you open Microsoft Word. And you notice up here that there are a number of preset styles, like normal, which is Calibri font, 11 point, heading 1, heading 2, title. The margins are set at 1 inch, and so on. So this is based on a template file that exists on your computer that sends this information to a Word document every time you open it up. When we're working with the template files, the same exact principle is in place, except it's feeding information based on the UHCL format and submission format guidelines for theses and dissertations. To open these files, you want to double-click on it from within the Explorer window in Windows. So you just double-click on the file. And notice when you do that, it opens up a document. So it's not opening up, I just double-clicked on the text composer. It's not opening up a dissertation text composer file. It's opening up a Word document file. Do not click on File, Open to open up these files. Otherwise, it's going to open as a Word template file, a .x file. And that's going to modify the underlying template. You should only be working on Word document or DOCX files. So my suggestion to you is to create a new folder in your dissertation folder and say my dissertation. And then when you open up this file and do a file save, and you save it in that separate folder. Now when we look here in that folder that we just created, we can see that this is a DOCX file and a Microsoft Word document file. And when we open it up and look at it, we can see that these styles are different from the normal template. The margin is set to 1.25 inches. The document text is Times New Roman 12-point font. So here's where you want to draft your document, and just leave these template files alone and let them sit here, because every time you open up a document based on them, they'll feed that information to that document.